Hello friend, welcome back. In this session, you will learn basic all fundamentals of React.js, and I believe that will help you to increase your basic foundation, which is very important one of the parts, so make that sure you complete this session very clearly. So first of all, what is React.js? React.js is declarative, efficient and flexible JavaScript library for building your user interfaces. Your components tell React what you want to render. Then React will efficiently update and render just the right components where your data changes. In the simple and popular term, React is the view in MVC. React was developed by Facebook in 2011 for Facebook only, and they made the code public by 2013. If you compare React.js with AngularJS and the Vue.js in Google Trends, here you can see there is a worldwide report and last 5 years reports, the React.js, the Vue.js and the AngularJS. And if you see this graph, you can see it's gradually incremented, and that is one of the most popular JavaScript framework right now. I hope you can well understand about it, how much popular it is right now, and after that there is our Vue.js and then there is our Angular. Okay. So that is one of the most popular and rising one of the JavaScript framework. So if you want to build your career with React.js, then it will be one of the best choice. So why you should use React.js? Let's go with 9 reasons to use React.js. First of all, it facilitates the overall process of writing components. It boosts productivity and facilitates further maintenance. It ensures faster rendering. It guarantees stable code. It is SEO friendly. It comes with a helpful developer toolset. There is also React Native for mobile app development. It is focused and easy to learn, and it is backed by a strong community. And overall, it's totally fun. In our next video, I will discuss about that things with you, what you should know before you start this